Hey, what's up? How's everybody doing? So today we're working on a 2022 Kia Sportage, and what we're gonna do first, we're gonna generate the remote part. Now that's pretty easy if you can find the FCC ID. So you go online, look up 2022 Sportage, look for the FCC ID, and go ahead and search for it on the Keytoolmax. So as you can see, all of these are prox keys. So we're gonna look for the remote, the new remote type that doesn't have the prox symbol next to it, and that's the one we're gonna use. So we're gonna go to Kia. Okay, we're gonna go to Sportage, and then we're gonna go down, all the way down to passing the proximity keys to the one without the proximity logo on it. Okay, though for those you will need a Toyota Universal Smart Key. As you guys can see, we found the Sportage remote. Okay, this is a non-transponder key. So basically what we're doing is we're generating the remote itself. This is non-proximity. Okay, you can do it with a wired or a wireless remote. Now in order to generate this one, we need to take the battery out of the circuit board. We need to attach it to a little wire and go ahead and just generate it. You're gonna see the little light flash. If it says error, go ahead and connect it correct again and try to regenerate it again. So as you guys can see, we're successfully generating the remote. You see the little light flashing on there. Okay, and perfect. It's almost complete. There we go, it's complete. If you want to generate another one, you press continue and you attach it. And if you don't want to generate no more and you're done, go ahead and press complete. So we're gonna go ahead and put our battery in. Okay, so we put our battery in. Make sure that when you do generate it, there is no battery inside the circuit board. We're only putting the battery after we're done generating. Okay, so the next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and cut the key. All right, so this is like a toy 40 key or a Kia KK12, I believe. All right, what I usually like to do before I even program the remote, I like to go ahead and generate the emulator. Now on this model, for some specific reason, it didn't have an emulator, or it didn't let me generate the emulator for it. Kept saying error. But when you do have the emulator, you can go ahead and program the Keytoolmax. So the Keytoolmax will basically turn into like a remote itself, and you're able to program the Keytoolmax of the car to find the correct remote. So if it programs, that means that that's the correct remote. After it programs, you go ahead and you generate that remote. So this is the correct remote for the Sportage. So once again, you guys, here is the key that we're cutting. You guys can see the cuts. This is a toy 40, okay, or Kia 7. Excuse me, I said Kia. I say KK12, but this is a Kia 7 blade or a toy 40, as you guys can see. Okay, same one that the Lexus uses. So we're gonna go ahead and cut our key. This is the key that we're cutting, and really easy. What I did for these vehicles, or what I do for these vehicles, usually I go ahead and just get the key code or get the cuts from a supplier like Magic Key Code or autocodes.com. Now you can use any wireless, again, or wired remote. Basically the wireless would be the remotes that have the NXP, or the wired, the ones that you're able to plug in. Okay, so we're using a wired remote once again, and we can choose any style. So we're gonna go to the vehicles. You guys can see it's not programmed yet. So we're gonna go ahead and put our key inside the ignition, turn it on, and this is once again a non-transponder key. So I do not need to program the chip itself. It automatically starts up, as you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and open the switch to accessory mode. Ignition on, engine off, and we're gonna go to Kia, and then from Kia we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go to program remote, program immobilizer / remote. We're gonna look for our model. Okay, so this is a Sportage, so we're gonna go to Sportage 2022. Okay, 2017 through 2022, and then we're gonna go to remote system. Really easy, fairly easy. Okay, you guys. So as soon as we're in the remote system part, we're gonna go ahead and look at the number of remotes. Then we're gonna go to program remotes. We're gonna press yes. So it's telling us to turn off the switch, and we're gonna go ahead and press the unlock button. Really easy. If you want to program another key, press yes. If you're done already, press no, okay? So it's fairly easy, you guys. So it asks us to take the key out the ignition, right? And turn the ignition off and then press the lock button. As you guys can see, we have our key program. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit like, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to join our members only for free giveaways and priority commenting, you guys. Thank you so much. Till next time, this is Mikey's Automotive.